Morning YouTube, what is the crack? Welcome to the channel guys, we're back at it, so we are. I was saying in my last video where I got on Google, I was sorting out some of my marketing, so I'm happy days. This is the first wee job, I'll just swing the camera. So this is the first wee job we have got from Yale folks, this conifer hedge here. And what I'm just trimming the sides of this. Tops, I'm not touching the tops. It's in pretty bad, really bad condition, so it is. It's just been kind of abused over the years, so it's not in great shape to be honest. But as I say, I'll just trim it at the sides and give it a good tidy up and try and make it a bit more respectable looking. So here it is from this. So as you can see, it's been here years. Big gaps on it. Yeah, the sunlight now, happy days. So that's my first run at it. I'm just going to give it another quick run now. As you can see at the top here, it's really rough. So I'm just going to tidy it at the top. I won't be taking any off the tops, so I'll be just these bits here, basically. I'll be taking these off. So that's the wee job for today guys. This is my first pass on it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on my extension bar onto my Still KM131R combi unit, and we're going to hit these top bits, and then I'll take that off and we'll go over it again just with a normal blade and tidy it up. So still rough, but what can you do? So I'll just tidy up these top bits and we'll be done with. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to drive the van in here. I'm going to stand up in the van and clip these bits here, so it'll be a lot handier. So happy days. Right, okay, I'm happy with that job, so I'm going to clean up here now and we'll get tidied up, so I'll be back in a bit. It's 42 years of age, up and down that van like a gymnast. Hey, where would you see it? No need for a gym, but I'm telling you, I feel it now and I'll feel it tonight, so I'll be sore. And I think I've just made up my mind with this job here. You get absolutely no pride out of cutting conifers, guys. Looks like shite, to be honest. Rough as a badger's arse, so just really turn them down. As I say, take no pride in the work even. I like well manicured, nice hedges, not rough. And as I say, this hedge is probably 50-year old, it's just battered. But as gardeners, you just have to do what you're asked to do and keep your mouth shut. So, yeah, doesn't look like much, but the job's done, so I'll get cleaned up here now. Oh, that's a job done, guys. I'll swing it. As I say, it's rough as a badger's arse, but it's a lot tidier than it was. You know, so happy days. You can't polish a turd, as they say, so that's it done, guys. Listen, if you're enjoying the content, give us a wee like, comment, subscribe. Hit us up if you've any questions. I'm always not too far away and I'm willing to answer questions. Anybody needs any help or advice, hit me up. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.